making a bubble bar, and I'm using a simple recipe here that I will be sharing in my group. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you would want to head over to my Facebook page for my Bath Bomb World School group, and I'll be posting the recipe there. I may post the recipe also on my website, but I'm for sure doing it in my group. So I'm using a surfactant today. That I'm using is cocoa propylbenzene, and I'm using some, I don't think I need this one because I'm not using any oils, but this I'm going to be using. That's my main bubble up. I'll be using some buttermilk and some glycerine. My fragrance today is going to be fragrance that I got from Village Craft candle. Oh my god, their fragrance are a knockout, let me tell you. So I'm using, I just want some ginger and lime. This smells a lot more like a lime. It doesn't have a ginger smell. And a bamboo, I have a little bit left, and this is like potent. This is like, ooh, it overtakes the ginger. And I'm going to be using some oils, essential oils, lemongrass, and some lime. And this is going to be my bubble bar for my Valentines. Alright y'all, I am back, and I have all my wet ingredients here. And I would like to try out this Alaska Mica, and I'm going to put it in the wet part of this for the bubble bar. Let's see. I wish I had more of this Mica. I wish I had more. And that is going in there. Oh wow, look at the nice shimmer it got. It's got a nice shimmer now. If you can see that shimmer, it has a very nice shimmer. Okay, I'll bring you back for the rest. Alright guys, so I am finished coloring and mixing. It's a very small batch, and this is the color. It's a lovely pink, and I'm going to let this rest in the fridge for a bit because this cocoa propylbenzene it inflates. Okay, it inflates and it gets all poofy, and then it deflates. So I'm gonna let this sit for a bit in the fridge and bring you back to show you what I'm making. It has something to do with kisses. Okay guys, so I'm back with my bubble bar. I separated and weighed them out so I can roll my dough. And I'm not making I'm making something. You'll see what I'm making. I have to get these gloves on and get rolling. I do need some cornstarch. For me to roll without any sticking, because I'm not making anything too, you know, nothing fancy. Just have to roll this around, roll it, and I think I told you guys I had to put it in the fridge because of the cocoa propylbenzene. If it's outside and your place is hot, it's gonna inflate. And you don't really want inflate. I want this to be round. Oh, I should tell you what color I'm using here. I'm using a dye that I got from Planet X, and it's red 33, but it gave me such a beautiful pink. I am finished with these kissy things. Give me your honest opinion. What do they actually look like? I know they look like kisses to me. Okay. Oh my god. It's not hard to make at all. But I have one more thing to do with them. And it has to do with Glitter Boy, Alaska Mica. This mica is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to take off my gloves for this. And I am going to put some extra leaven on the kisses.